Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Dogecoin from Metamask to Kucoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your Dogecoin holdings quickly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember that crypto transactions involve risks like fees and network delays, so double-check everything before you proceed. First things first, make sure you have the basics set up. You'll need a Metamask wallet with Dogecoin already in it. Remember, Dogecoin runs on the Dogecoin network, so ensure that's configured in your Metamask. If not, head to the Metamask settings and add the Dogecoin network using the custom RPC details you can find on official sites. Step 1. Open your Metamask extension or app and select the Dogecoin account that holds your coins. Double-click to view your wallet balance and make sure you have enough Doge for the transfer, plus a little extra for network fees. Next, log into your Kucoin account on their website or app. Go to your wallet section and find the deposit option for Dogecoin. Copy the deposit address provided. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Pro tip: always verify that you're copying the correct address to avoid sending your coins to the wrong place. Now, back in Metamask, click on Send and paste the Kucoin deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer, review the transaction details like gas fees, and hit Confirm. You'll need to approve this with your wallet password or biometric auth. Once the transaction is broadcasted, keep an eye on it using a blockchain explorer like dogechain.info. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025, so grab a coffee and relax. Finally, once it's confirmed, check your Kucoin balance. If everything went smoothly, your Dogecoin should be there, ready for trading or holding. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.